Welcome to Simplilearn, and today we are here with another transformative journey. Today we discuss the Six Sigma roadmap to excellence. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will delve into the world of Six Sigma methodologies, equipping you with the tools to drive efficiency, reduce defects, and elevate performance to unprecedented heights. Imagine a place where procedures are sharpened to perfection, waste is minimized, and quality is supreme. That's precisely what Six Sigma offers. And this roadmap will be your guiding light. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just beginning your quality improvement quest, you will find invaluable insights here. We'll navigate the define, measure, analyze, improve, control framework, unveiling its secrets and showcasing real-world applications. Together, we will master statistical analysis, root cause identification, and the art of sustaining improvements. Join us to this empowering journey and let's get started on a quest to achieve Six Sigma excellence in your projects and beyond. Before we get started, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then like, share and hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified. And if you're a professional with minimum 1 year of experience and an aspiring Lean Six Sigma professional looking for online training and certifications from the prestigious universities and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility, then search no more. Simplilearn's Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Certification Training course is just what you need. For more details on this course, use the link in the description box below. And now without further delay, over to our training. We will get started by understanding what exactly is Six Sigma. Later, we will dive into why get Six Sigma certified. Then, we will go through some of the major Six Sigma certification exam details. Then, the most important part of today's session, that is the roadmap to get Six Sigma certified. Lastly, we will wrap up the session by discussing the Six Sigma certification preparation tips. I hope I made myself clear with the agenda. Now, let's get started with the first one, that is what is Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology and a set of tools widely used in quality management and process improvement. It aims to enhance process performance, reduce defects, and ultimately improve the quality of products or services. The term Six Sigma refers to a statistical concept where a process operates with extremely low defect rates, allowing you only 3.4 defects per million opportunities. The key principles of Six Sigma include define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Let's discuss each one of them. Firstly, define. Clearly define the problem or project goals, outlining customer requirements and expectations. Next, we have measure. Measure is collect data to quantify the current process performance, identifying defects or variations. Third one is analyze. Analyze the data to pinpoint the root causes of defects and variations within the process. Next, we have improve. Implement changes and improvements to the process based on analysis to eliminate defects and reduce variations. And lastly, we have control. Establish control mechanisms to ensure that the process remains stable and continues to meet the desired quality standards. Six Sigma employs various statistical and analytical tools such as process maps, histograms, control charts, and regression analysis to make informed decisions and drive continuous improvement. It is widely used across industries to optimize processes, increase customer satisfaction, and reduce operational costs. Now, moving further, we will discuss why get Six Sigma certified. Here are 5 compelling reasons to get Six Sigma certified. Firstly, career advancement. Six Sigma certification is highly regarded by organizations worldwide. Holding a certification such as Green Belt or Black Belt can significantly boost your career prospects, leading to a better job opportunity, promotions, or increased earning potential. Moving further, we have the second point of discussion, which is about process improvement skills. Six Sigma equips you with a structured and data-driven approach to problem solving and process improvement. These skills are not only valuable in your current role but also transferable across various industries and sectors. Moving ahead, we have enhanced problem solving. Six Sigma provides a systematic methodology for identifying and addressing root causes of the problems. This leads to more effective and sustainable solutions, ultimately benefiting your organization's efficiency and bottom line. Now, the fourth one is customer satisfaction. By reducing defects and variations in process, Six Sigma helps deliver products and services that consistently meet or exceed customer expectations. Satisfied customers are more likely to be loyal and recommend your organizations to others. Now, the fifth one, which is about cost saving. Implementing Six Sigma principles can lead to substantial cost savings by eliminating waste, reducing errors, and optimizing processes. Organizations often see a significant return on investment as a result of Six Sigma projects. Six Sigma certifications can open doors to career growth, empower you with valuable problem solving skills, enhance customer satisfaction, and contribute to cost effective operations in any industry. Now, moving ahead, we will discuss the Six Sigma certification exam details. Firstly, we will discuss eligibility. The Six Sigma certification process does not have a specific criterion for any level, and it officially begins with a green belt training. That is why there is no Six Sigma certification eligibility. However, you can follow a few guidelines that will benefit your career and help you understand the core concepts of Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification and its successor courses. The candidate must have at least 3 years of working experience in an organization related to Six Sigma field. Any candidate can appear for the Six Sigma exam, but having a graduate degree is better in this case. If you are a candidate, you must earn a minimum score of 70% to achieve professional Six Sigma certification. Moving ahead, we will discuss the fee structure. Multiple training institutes provide Six Sigma courses in collaboration with eminent certification bodies. An average Lean Six Sigma certification cost in India ranges from 25,000 to 40,000. Here is a breakdown of comprehensive list of costs of Six Sigma belts in India and USA. In America, the Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certification will cost you about $538, and in India, the Lean Six will cost you around 17,696 rupees. And for Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification, you will be spending about $300 in America, and for India, you will be spending about 12,286 rupees for a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification. Now, the Yellow Belt. In USA, you will be spending about $394 in US, and in India, for a Yellow Belt certification, you will be spending around 7,650 rupees. Further, we will discuss about the exam patterns. Firstly, we have the Six Sigma White Belt. So, the White Belt exam will have 30 questions and the duration will be 30 minutes and the question paper type will be objective. For a Yellow Belt, we have the following. 75 questions, duration is 2 hours and the question paper is completely objective. And for Green Belt, the following details. Number of questions, 100, duration is 3 hours and the question paper pattern will be objective. And now, the Black Belt. The number of questions faced is 150, duration is 4 hours and question paper pattern is objective. And lastly, the Master Black Belt. The Master Black Belt will have 110 questions, duration will be 5 hours, 18 minutes and question paper pattern will be performance-based assessment. Now moving further, we will discuss the most important point of today's session, that is the exam duration. The Six Sigma exam practice test happens at multiple levels ranging from the White Belt to the Black Belt. So the exam duration depends on the Six Sigma belt you choose and ranges between 30 to 5 hours. With that discussed, we will dive into the roadmap to get Six Sigma certified. Here is a roadmap of the necessary exam details on how to become a Six Sigma certified professional. Step 1 is understand the management philosophy. Before starting on your Six Sigma certification journey, it's crucial to evaluate whether your workplace or target industry values principles like efficiency, waste reduction, and overhead elimination. If these align with the Six Sigma philosophy, advocating for certification can be a strategic move. Six Sigma is especially valuable for quality management, production, and operations professionals, expanding career opportunities and promoting a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within organizations. Step 2 is choose between Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma. In practice, while both Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma share a common goal, their emphasis varies. Lean Six Sigma extends beyond manufacturing, influencing all aspects of business. If you work in manufacturing or production, Lean Six Sigma is your ideal choice. However, if your organization already implements Six Sigma, sticking with it makes sense. Now, step 3. Check out which level suits you. If you're a project manager or part of a project team and already grasp Six Sigma fundamentals, consider the appropriate management role. White belt focuses on local problem solving, supporting overall projects. Yellow belt functions as a project team member contributing to process improvements. Green belt guides teams in data collection and analysis for black belt projects. Black belt leading problem solving initiatives. And lastly, the master black trains and mentors black belts and green belts. Select your level accordingly. If you're not actively involved in projects, start with the white belt. If you have project experience but lack Six Sigma training, choose the yellow belt. That would be a right choice. Now moving ahead, we have the fourth step, which is about learn about the tests associated with it. Each Six Sigma level corresponds to distinct tool and technique proficiencies within the methodology. The methodology itself employs two common approaches, that is, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, and define, measure, analyze, design, control. So you can also abbreviate them as DMAIC or DMADV. Proficiency assessments typically encompass practical projects and written exams, validating your ability to apply Six Sigma principles effectively. Prioritize understanding these assessments before diving into preparation. Now we have the fifth step, enrolling in a training course. To excel in Six Sigma proficiency test, consider enrolling in a training course. Both classroom and online options are available, allowing you to select the format that aligns your needs. While there isn't a formal governing body for training, many reputable programs carry accreditation. These courses offer valuable hands-on experience with diverse tools and techniques integral to Six Sigma methodology. Now, sixth step, obtain your certification. There are a number of certification providers in Six Sigma. You can apply for it individually, or in some cases, organizations provide resources such as certifications. If you are a professional with minimum 1 year of experience and an aspiring Lean Six Sigma professional looking for online training and certification from prestigious universities and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility, then search no more. Simplilearn's Lean Six Sigma Greenwell certification training course is just what you need. For more details, use the link in the description box below. Now moving further, we will discuss the last point of today's discussion, that happens to be Six Sigma certification preparation tips. Certainly, here are the 5 enhanced tips to get certified as Six Sigma professional. Firstly, interactive learning. Challenge your understanding and reinforce your knowledge by actively engaging with practice questions. These questions provide real-world scenarios and help you apply Six Sigma concepts, ensuring you grasp the material thoroughly. Next one is official resources. Utilize official Six Sigma books and study guides as your primary learning materials. These resources are curated to align perfectly with certification exam content, making them invaluable for comprehensive preparation. Moving ahead, we have structured training. Enroll in a structured training course conducted by certified instructors. These courses offer in-depth insights, practical examples, and opportunities for hands-on learning. They also provide a platform for asking questions and clarifying doubts, fostering a deeper understanding of Six Sigma methodologies. Moving ahead, we have strategic study plan. Develop a systematic study routine by carefully reviewing the certification syllabus. Organize your sessions to cover all required topics methodically, ensuring no critical areas are missed during your certification preparation. And lastly, tool proficiency. Master the tools and techniques associated with Six Sigma, such as statistical software and process mapping tools. Proficiency in these tools not only aids in certification, but also equips you with practical skills for process improvement in your professional endeavors. By following these steps, you will be well prepared to excel in Six Sigma certification exams and, more importantly, to apply Six Sigma principles effectively in your workplace, contributing to improved processes and quality outcomes. And with that, we have reached to the end of this session on Six Sigma Roadmap for 2024. Should you need any assistance, PPT, or other resources used in this session, please let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be more than happy to help you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working, click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.